Are you tired of back pain, poor posture, or a weak back that limits your daily life? The good news is that the right foods can help strengthen your back muscles, reduce inflammation, and improve recovery. If you live in the United States, these 5 nutrient-packed foods deserve a place on your plate. Number 1. Salmon, the ultimate food for a stronger back. Salmon is one of the best foods you can eat to build and maintain a stronger back. This fatty fish is loaded with high-quality protein, which provides the amino acids your body needs to repair damaged muscle fibers after exercise or daily physical activity. If your back muscles are weak, they cannot properly support your spine, increasing the risk of pain and injury. Eating enough protein is essential for keeping those muscles strong. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle soreness, joint stiffness, and back discomfort. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, allowing your muscles and connective tissues to recover more efficiently. Another important nutrient in salmon is vitamin D. Many adults in the United States have low vitamin D levels, which may weaken bones and muscles. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your spine healthy and reducing the risk of fractures. For the best results, enjoy grilled, baked, or air-fried salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains for a balanced meal that supports muscle growth and overall health. Combined with regular strength training, salmon can play a major role in building a healthier and stronger back. Number 2. Greek yogurt, protein and calcium for back support. Greek yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse for anyone looking to improve back strength. One serving provides a generous amount of high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for repairing muscles after workouts or physically demanding activities. Strong back muscles help stabilize your spine and improve posture, reducing the likelihood of chronic pain. Greek yogurt is also one of the richest dietary sources of calcium. Healthy bones are just as important as strong muscles because your spine depends on solid bone density for support. Calcium works together with vitamin D to maintain strong vertebrae and lower the risk of bone loss as you age. In addition, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy digestive system improves nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the vitamins and minerals needed for muscle recovery and bone maintenance. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt whenever possible to avoid added sugars. Add fresh berries, walnuts, or chia seeds for extra antioxidants and healthy fats. It also makes an excellent breakfast, snack, or post-workout meal. For adults in the United States who want to strengthen their back naturally, Greek yogurt is a convenient, affordable, and highly nutritious food. Combined with resistance exercises and proper posture, it can help improve muscle function, support spinal health, and keep your back strong for years to come. Number 3. Eggs, complete nutrition for muscle repair. Eggs are among the most complete and affordable foods for building a stronger back. Each egg contains high-quality complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks your body uses to repair muscle tissue and promote new muscle growth, especially after exercise. Eggs are also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a major role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. This process helps your body recover faster and build stronger muscles that better support your spine. Whether you lift weights, practice yoga, or simply stay active, eggs can help maximize your recovery. In addition to protein, eggs provide vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. Vitamin D supports healthy bones, while vitamin B12 helps maintain healthy nerves that control muscle movement. Choline contributes to proper muscle function and coordination, reducing the chance of muscle weakness. For a healthy diet, enjoy boiled, scrambled, or poached eggs with vegetables and whole grain toast. Most healthy adults can include eggs regularly as part of a balanced eating plan. If your goal is to improve back strength naturally, eggs are a simple yet highly effective food choice. Combined with regular physical activity and good posture habits, they provide the nutrients your muscles need to become stronger, healthier, and more resilient against everyday strain. Number 4. Spinach, the green superfood for a healthy back. Spinach is one of the best vegetables for supporting a stronger back because it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Although it is low in calories, spinach delivers an impressive amount of magnesium, iron, vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate, all of which contribute to healthy muscles and bones. Magnesium is especially important because it helps muscles contract and relax properly. A magnesium deficiency may contribute to muscle cramps, tightness, and discomfort, including in the back. Getting enough magnesium supports smoother muscle function and better recovery after physical activity. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which plays a key role in maintaining strong bones. Healthy spinal bones are essential for supporting your body and preventing injuries as you age. Iron helps transport oxygen to working muscles, improving endurance and reducing fatigue during exercise. The antioxidants found in spinach help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation caused by intense workouts or everyday wear and tear. This may contribute to faster muscle recovery and improved overall mobility. Add spinach to salads, omelets, smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for an easy nutritional boost. Adults in the United States can benefit from including leafy greens several times each week. When paired with protein-rich foods and regular back-strengthening exercises, spinach provides the nutrients your body needs to build stronger muscles, healthier bones, and a more resilient back. Number 5. Lean chicken breast fuel for strong back muscles. Lean chicken breast is one of the most effective foods for building strong muscles throughout the body, including the muscles that support your back. It is packed with high-quality protein while remaining low in saturated fat, making it an excellent option for maintaining a healthy body weight and improving muscle recovery. Every serving of chicken breast supplies essential amino acids that repair damaged muscle fibers after workouts or physical labor. Consuming adequate protein throughout the day helps preserve lean muscle mass, which becomes increasingly important as adults age. Chicken also contains important nutrients such as niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and selenium. Vitamin B6 helps convert food into usable energy, allowing your muscles to perform more efficiently. Phosphorus supports healthy bones and teeth, including the vertebrae that make up your spine. For the healthiest preparation, grill, bake, or air-fry chicken instead of deep frying it. Pair it with brown rice, sweet potatoes, and colorful vegetables to create a balanced meal that promotes muscle growth and recovery. For people in the United States who want a naturally stronger back, lean chicken breast is an excellent dietary choice. Combined with regular resistance training, stretching, and proper lifting techniques, it helps build the muscle strength needed to support your spine, improve posture, reduce injury risk, and maintain long-term back health.